Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram direct message not showing in Android or iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that your direct message or DM is not showing in your Instagram, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So the very first thing is that you have to switch between the network or try to connect with the strongest and the stable network connection, or you can also try to enable or disable airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings, and then you have to refresh your Instagram page just like that. Just scroll down and your Instagram page will be refreshed, and after refreshing up to 4 or 5 times your issue must be fixed. If it's still not fixed, open your app store or play store and you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to update your Instagram to the latest version, or you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, after updating you have to go back and open your settings app, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you find an connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, go back from here and try to make a force restart your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that you have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you find the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you have to unlock your phone and you have to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open your settings app and your iPhone, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for Instagram app, and you have to try to offload your app. After offloading, you have to restart your app or reinstall your app, and after reinstallation, your issue must be fixed. Or in Android, you just have to try to clear cache files of your Instagram app. After clearing cache, go back from here and you have to simply open your Instagram app again and retry or recheck if your issue has been fixed or not. Or if your issue is still not fixed, there is the only way. You just have to open or tap on your profile page in the bottom right corner, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and here just scroll down and you'll find the option of help. You just have to tap on help option here, then select report a problem, then select report problem without checking, select include and continue. Here you have to simply or briefly explain your issue which you have facing, or you can also try to upload your screenshot from the gallery, or you can try to take screenshot, and after taking screenshot you just have to retry to enter or add the screenshot to your report, and after submitting your report your issue must be fixed or you will get the response in up to 1 or 2 hours, and you just have to wait for that. You'll get the response from the Instagram support team. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.